close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Hi guys, I'm Jen. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new video, and if you are a returning subscriber, walk on friends, what's good? So this is the look I'll be doing for you guys today. It is a full get ready with me, hair and makeup included. So if you're interested in how I got this slay, then keep on watching.
And on we'll go.
My hair is relaxed, and I'll be doing a long ponytail, trying to get the pin out. So I bought, for the first time ever, I bought hair. So I bought a ponytail from Sekia. This is the name of the brand, but I bought it from Amazon. I will, if I can find it, I will leave all the information down in the description box. I'm not really a hair person. I don't really know hair like that, like if it's good quality or whatever, but I can, not because I'm not a hair person means say I can't do the hair. So I'll be doing that, and it says it's hand wash only, water wash 30 degrees Celsius, do not bleach, heat resistant. That's what I'm seeing on the packet, on the bag. And I like that it comes with a zip, like a ziplock, so you can store the hair in that. So I'm going to do a long, like a ponytail. I'm thinking maybe a middle part or a side part would be nice. So let's just jump into that. And my hair has product in it already, like moisturizer and oil and stuff, so I don't really need anything except maybe like a little bit of gel. My hair is in a regular ponytail, like, yeah. So we're going to attach this one now. So the shade color so the color I got was like a dark brown. It doesn't match my hair perfectly, but that's fine, we can work with that. And it has the mesh, it has a mesh over it. So this is it. This is the hair. It's quite long. I don't remember the length, but as I said, I will try to find the information on this piece and leave it in the description box below, even a link so you guys can purchase. And they have a wide variety of colors. So I'm just going to take off the mesh. This is the hair. As I say, it doesn't match my hair perfectly. I got this color because I had rinsed my hair. I had red rinse in my hair, so so I thought it would go with it, but it's fine. It's so pretty. It feels good. It doesn't feel like plastic or anything like that. Actually feels nice. So it's a wrap. It's a wrap ponytail. It comes with a comb. You can see the comb. And then I put this comb at the top, like right here, and then fold it. It has like a velcro strap, so I fold it and then just wrap this piece of hair around the base of the ponytail. So let us attempt this. Okay guys, so I'm finishing my hair. I'll do my edges after I do my makeup. Maybe that isn't wise, but it's whatever. So that's the hair done. Kind of like it. I wish I did a better job there, but with time and practice, I'm sure it will get better. So I'm going to start with my makeup. First, I'm going to do my brows. This is the AOA Studio Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade, and it is in the shade dark brown. I'm not a pomade type girl for myself, but I say I will try it. $1 can't knock it. I love this AOA product, and for $1 it's pretty good. It's creamy enough, like it still has movement in it. But as usual with a pomade, if you don't cover it right away, it will probably dry up. But otherwise than that, the color is perfect, dark brown. The texture is nice, the blending easy, like it's good, it's pretty good. So time for the eyes. I'm going to prime my eyes with my Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Maple. I have the Morphe 39A palette here, so I'll be using that as well as the Golden Hour Tammy X Revolution palette. Going in with the shade Evolve from the Morphe palette. I'm just going to put this in my crease. Going in with the indigo shade, that's a dark blue. Just going to put that in my crease, a little bit in my crease. And this color goes a long way. Look there, just one dip, and look there. Going to go in with that first brush, the Morphe M535. Just blend the edge. No product is on this. Like I haven't gone back into any product. I'm just using it to fuse the two shades together. Went in with this shade first, and then this dark blue. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Contour Chic, this shade here from the Tammy palette, and I'm just going to put this in my outer V. So for my lid, I'm going to go in with this bronzy golden shade. It is called So Glam. And I'm going to put that on my lids with a flat eyeshadow brush. Going to go in with a Coastal Scents BRCN06 and just blend the edge of the So Glam shade into my crease. And this is a clean brush. There is no product on this brush. I'm just using it to blend out the shadow. For my outer V, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the black. Just a little bit because this black is so pigmented. And then some more of the Contour Chic brown from the Tammy X palette. Just to blend the So Glam and the black together. Using a new foundation today. This is the Palladio Build and Blend Foundation with hyaluronic acid. Guys, you know how me and the hyaluronic acid thing already. Like, yeah. So, and if you don't know, hyaluronic acid is very moisturizing. Like it absorbs the moisture and holds the moisture into your skin. So, I like that. And this is the shade Mocha. You can barely see, like this is my perfect shade. It glides on well. I'm going to use my Juno and Co SpongeBob sponge. So cute. It has this little face on it. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but it's so adorable. So I'm going to use a flat side and just blend out the foundation. So that was the Iman pressed powder. I'm going to go in with that same shade to snatch my nose. Bring that up into the beginning of my brow. So I am going to bronze, and I'll be using the Tammy X Revolution palette. Taking this shade right here. This one, yeah, that's what I pointed at. I'm just going to go in lightly with this color, with this palette, because it is pigmented. So I'm going to brush this into, and I might not finish with the face. Not really, I need to add some blush. I'm going to use the same palette. I'm going to go in blushed baby girl. Just a little bit. Even knock off the little that touch the brush. And place that on my cheeks. So pretty. I am going to do my liner and apply my lashes. I will be using, I think I'll be using these, the Mink 3D A14 lashes. So guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you've made it this far, remember to hit that subscribe button down below if it's already haven't subscribed as yet. And October is about to be litty, like it's my birth month, and I have a few videos planned for you guys. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified whenever I upload. And thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.